miss me?
This week there was a lot of discussion about Redux over here. Some people are saying it's badly designed, some people are saying it's the best thing ever. It's a whole mess.
But first, let's talk about what else is going on. Do you know Randall, the inventor of Node.js?
Yeah.
He recently gave a talk about the JavaScript-based machine learning platform that he is working on. I'm excited about it because it uses the power of GPU. I believe it will encourage a lot of JavaScript developers to get into machine learning. You like configuring Webpack, right?
No.
So Parcel is a new bundler that is blazing fast. They just released their version 1.6. It has zero config, so no Babel-RC, automatic JSX support, Node and Electron targets, production bundle statistics. You should give it a try.
You use Redux, right? Everyone uses Redux, even when they don't need it.
I like Redux.
I don't like Redux.
I love Redux.
I don't know.
So I think the problem is that boilerplates and tutorials tend to teach state management with Redux. They want to show you how to tackle the complex use cases. Makes sense. The side effect of that is people think this is just how you use React, right? This is how you do state. You put it in the Redux store. It's an educational problem, right? We need to be clear about when to use component state, when to use the global state, and when to use both of them together. In fact, the Redux docs actually do a great job of explaining it as well. I'll link that in the description below. So while all of this was happening, Andrew Clark, who's the co-creator of Redux and on the React team, he has been working on a new context API. It's coming out of its experimental status with a better API in 16.3. We're testing it with Facebook products right now.
We'll see how this goes.
Let's find out what's trending on GitHub.
Unstated.
Unstated isn't the whole point of React to manage your state.
So yeah, Unstated is a simpler alternative to the state management libraries.
Okay.
Unstated uses a polyfill to the new context API, so you can use it in your app today. Unstated also uses the pattern which you are already familiar with, like provider, container, subscribe. And it's a very tiny library which almost 140 lines of code. And as always, James explained its problem and the solution in a beginner-friendly way.
Thanks, James. What is this? URQL?
So it's Urkel. It's a GraphQL client exposed with a set of React components. It makes GraphQL simple on the client side. It's built for React, and guess what? It uses render props.
What do you want me to render?
That was horrible.
Thanks. Oh wait, that's the name of the library.
Oh wow.
Everyone of us uses open source, right? We all know that the library authors are devoting countless hours to maintain the open source projects. Don't you think that we should appreciate their efforts?
Absolutely, yeah.
So yeah, go to your project folder, run npx thanks, and show gratitude towards the authors you depend on. You can find links to all of these in the description below.
Pausing and giving a reaction.
So that's all for this week. We'll be back with more next week.